Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to install an oil catch can. Just in pictures, I don't have a video actually. Let's go ahead. First of all, you need an oil catch can set. You can order it from eBay or from AliExpress if you want. It's around $20, it's really cheap. But from this set you don't need the fuel line, the fuel hose, and the bigger hose connectors. What will you also need is a fuel hose, 2 meter, and the inside diameter it's around 10 millimeter, like on the car, what you have in the PCV line. A hose connector, just like on the picture, 4 pieces of hose clamps, then you have actually 6 pieces with the set, a plier, a combinate plier, a heat gun, and the silicone spray, just for the hoses. Okay, so we can begin. The next step is get off the PCV hose clamp. After that, pull out the PCV hose. Put 1 meter of the new fuel hose on the PCV. For this job you can use the heat gun and the silicone spray if it's necessary. After that, put into the PCV hose the new connector like on the picture. Here the first step is put a new clamp on the PCV and tighten it down. Second, put the other 1 meter hose onto the hose connector. 3. With the 2 new clamps tighten down. Don't forget to put this hose back. On these pictures you can see what type of holder I found in the garage. I had to drill 2 holes for the can and 1 for the fitment next to the coolant reservoir actually, as you can see on the picture. Right now you can measure the length of the hose. How long do you need? If it's necessary, then you can cut them with a plier. Put the last 2 clamps on the hoses and connect the hoses to the can. You can use again heat gun and silicone spray if it's necessary. And before the last step, tighten the 2 clamps. Put the can with the holder between the coolant reservoir and the ventilator. There is a hole what we can use. You need for this also a longer screw to fix it. And after that, try to shake the can with your hand, just to be sure that it's solid and fixed. And we are finished. Start the car to see no check engine light on and everything is okay. Put the plastic covers back and you are good to go.